Hi, my name is Richard Brown, and I am a filmmaker based here in Jamaica. If you are a person who loves the Jamaican culture, whether you're a born Jamaican or you are just somebody who loves the culture, you definitely want to support what we're doing here, which is creating content and preserving the culture of Jamaica. So you definitely want to subscribe to this website, Richard Brown Films. You definitely want to subscribe to it. And what we're trying to do is geared toward the first 1,000 persons who subscribe to the website will definitely get 1 year access free. Then after that, 1,000 persons then will charge $3.65 US. You know what I say? US. $3.65 US for the entire year. That's like a couple of cents per month you'll be paying to get exclusive access to all the content that we have available. Both the content that is on YouTube plus new content that will be placed nowhere else, plus some behind the scenes, plus photos of the actors and maybe a little biography of each person will be placed on the website. So it's like a full access to what we're doing here at Richard Brown Films. You'll get on this website. So you don't want to miss what we're doing. So please sign up. And as I said, the first 1,000 persons free.